I'm Mandy.
And I'm Amy.
And this is what's happening for the week of July 18th at the Fitchburg Senior Center.
So Mandy, what's going on?
So I've got some big stuff happening. So some of you know, some of you don't. But a year ago, I had to have 10 blood transfusions. I was really sick. What?
No, I already knew.
Yes. Anyway, a lot of people helped save my life, and so now I'm trying to give back. Yeah, Amy was probably the one that mostly saved my life by getting the ambulance to my house to help me. But anyway, I'm trying to give back a little bit. So I'm having a blood drive.
So awesome.
Yes. So check the screen for details. If you want to come and give blood at this blood drive, you just call the number and tell them you want to do this location on August 2nd. Hoping to have some ukulele players there, making it a festive time, just celebrating life. So the thing says it's in my honor, but it's really to honor everybody that helped save me a year ago. So come on over and give some blood. And the Active Women's Group has this really cool thing going on July 26th. Have you ever wondered how badly alcohol and drugs affect you while you are driving?
Yep.
Yeah, me too. Well, they're gonna have a speaker there that will have some goggles that you can try on, and will tell you about this program about what it's like to be driving impaired. So if you're a woman and you're active and you wanna check that out, check it out. Amy, what's going on?
Well, we're gonna have a card making and taking activity, and that's gonna happen on July 29th, right after lunch. And then cardio drumming is also starting again. There's still some openings in the Friday class, so you don't wanna miss it. The meal of the week is on the 18th, and it's barbecued ribs, cheesy potatoes, pickled beets, and sherbet.
Oh, sherbet! We love the sherbet!
So all you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's usually pretty hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Peace.
Bye-bye.